Hey guys, this is my Acer. It won't boot. I don't know what's wrong with it. I have a CD in right now, a Windows 7 CD, and I try to boot from it. But it says that's what it says. So when this pops up, press any key. Boot from a CD or DVD, and it loads files right now, but you can fast forward through this till it gets done, because it kind of takes a little while. Basically, when it loads up, it says to install Windows 7. That works and everything. It pops up, but when I try to install it, it hangs on the screen where it says install wizard or whatever, starting up or whatever it says. But I stopped doing that because when I started up it says to click repair, so I did that and the same thing happened. It just hung up on the screen, and I left it on overnight, but nothing's happening. So I need help right now, just trying to figure out what's going on. It just won't boot up. So if any of you have anything to help me out, just post it and let me know, and I'll let you know if I can fix it. But it's just, I don't know. I'll show you here in a second. Alright. Alright, so this works. And then alright, so click next. Alright, I did this at first and the screen got hung up after the screen, but I want to do this because some missing files are gone, and that's what it says. It says put the Windows 7 in and repair it. So I click to repair it. And it just, this screen, I left it on overnight for 2 days, and it's just stayed at this screen. It didn't do anything. So, I'd gladly appreciate it if anybody can help me. Just post it below, and I'll see if I can do whatever you say, and I'll let you know if I fix it. Alright.